Hello and welcome to the iGameOver channel. This is another episode in our How to Build a Computer series. So let's jump right to it. In this part, we are going to see how we install a hard drive, but not just any hard drive, and let me explain why. The technology is moving forward at an astonishing rate, okay? So there is really no point for me to show you how to install an old school 3.5-inch spinning disk hard drive, because it's just literally just to connect one thing. And if you think I'm wrong, let me know. I'll do an additional video to show you how to install the kind of drive. So leave the comment down below, okay? But anyway, for this one, I chose an M.2, so the sort of newest iteration of that hard drive, okay? SSD drive. So, they're the quickest of the bunch, and I will show you in a second which one did I choose and why. But the reason why I chose it is precisely because of that, okay? It's the newest of the bunch, it's the quickest, well, not the one that I have, but, M.2 drive generally are the quickest of them all because they are PCIe based, they are not SATA based anymore, so they don't have that limitation anymore of that physical connector there. So, without further ado, let's jump to it. You will see how easy it is to install an M.2 SSD drive. The SSD drive I chose is the Intel 600p 512GB M.2 SSD, and let me tell you why I chose exactly that. The write speed of this drive is nothing astonishing. It's 560 megabits per second. So you would say, what's the difference? It looks like a normal SATA hard drive, but it is very much not. Where the magic happens is in its read speeds. And look at this, the read speed of this drive is 1775 megabytes per second. Let it sink in, it's nearly 2 gigabytes per second. And that means that the games will load really quickly and everything else, including programs, is going to open and load much, much quicker. So how do you install the M.2 SSD? Well, let's take a crack at it. You need to find that connection that you see. Then align it in about 45 degrees. Press it in a little bit. When it's pressed in, take that screw that you just removed from the motherboard, press the drive down, put that little tiny screw in. Of course, mine just fell out, but that's just usual me. So put the screw in and screw it in. And there, once it's tightened, it's installed. That's done. Voila. So what do you think? Was it easy? I think it was. I think it's just a child's play to install this. It's actually not much more difficult to install an M.2 drive than it is to install a SATA drive. I would actually argue it's even easier to install it because you have only one screw, you don't have 4 different screws, you don't have to route any cables, anything like that, right? So it's just to put it in, screw it, and that. So thank God for the technology, huh? I hope you enjoyed that short episode, and I will see you in the next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a like the video if you feel like being awesome, okay? So, take care, and until the next time, peace! Bye!